Hello and welcome to How to Play Dots and Boxes, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover all aspects of how to play the game Dots and Boxes. The game is played with 2 players. The game is set up by making a grid of dots. For this example, the grid will be 6 dots by 6 dots. Players will use a symbol or initial to keep track of their completed boxes. The object of the game is to complete more boxes than your opponent. Players will take turns making one vertical or horizontal line to connect 2 dots. The game begins with a player connecting 2 dots. Play moves to the other player who will connect 2 dots. This continues with players taking turns drawing a line to connect 2 dots. Skipping ahead, X's draw a line which results in a completed box. X will mark the completed box and tally a score for the box. When a box is completed, the player will get another turn. X goes again. Players continue to take turns until all dots are connected. At the end of the game, the player who completed more boxes wins the game. After every completed box, the player must take another turn. For shorter games, the grid can be made smaller. For longer games, the grid can be made larger. That wraps up how to play Dots and Boxes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.